Ibilin niyo sunan No, tell Lula. Lula wants to tell you about life now.
Swimming 10 workouts a week.
Sige.
3 times a week.
I'm filming you.
Working
Bagbagaan niyo yung sudan. I-film ko.
Be good is yan.
I love you, Lula.
You go to school and learn harder so that you can get your exactly course you want.
Ibagam nga Agasawa nga nasapa.
Sangkapin nga.
No, in English.
Don't get married so early. Okay? Not so early because marriage is just for fun.
Marriage is just for fun?
It's not, it's not for fun.
Yeah, marriage is not for fun. That's what Lula meant.
You cannot easily change like
Your
dress.
panty. Even though you don't change your panty that often.
It's hard to get married early. So you better think and learn more harder. Okay?
Okay.
So that